हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में एमसीक्यूज लेकर आई हूँ मैं। स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन एनिमल्स और द सेल, ये दो के इसमें एमसीक्यूज हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द एपिथेलियम प्रेजेंट इन द डिसेंडिंग लिम्ब ऑफ लूप ऑफ हेनले इज सिंपल स्क्वैमस एपिथेलियम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द टिश्यू फ्रॉम द गिवन फंक्शंस। पहला फंक्शन है कोलेजन फाइबर आर प्रेजेंट इन रोज बिटवीन मैनी पैरेलल बंडल्स ऑफ फाइबर्स, और दूसरा प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस टिश्यू बिटवीन एट जॉइंट्स बिटवीन स्कल बोन्स मेक्स देम इमूवेबल। तो इसका आंसर है डेंस रेगुलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू। Bidder's canal is found in kidney of frog. In sodium potassium exchange pump, when one ATP is hydrolyzed, the number of Na plus ions pumped outwards and K plus ion pumped inwards are respectively 3 and 2. Select the incorrect statement with reference to cockroach. Read the statements. The incorrect statement is the secretion of uricose gland from the outermost layer of spermatophore. All others are correct statement. Bone reabsorption is brought about by osteoclast. The ovaries in female cockroaches are located in the segments. You have to remember the segments in which they are located. So it is second to sixth. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट विथ रेफरेंस टू द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ultrastructure of the nucleus. So these are the 4 statements given to you. Perinuclear space separates the two membranes of the nuclear envelope. Some proteins present in nucleoplasm are essential for spindle formation. The lightly stained condensed fibrous part of chromatin is called hematochromatin, and nucleolus is the main site for the development of ribosomal RNA. So the correct answer in all this are 1, 2 and 4. The cell organelles which take part in the storage and synthesis of lipid is spherosomes. Cell membrane was discovered by which scientist in the year, and the most recent fluid mosaic model of biomembrane was given by which scientist? The correct answer is Schwann in 1838, and the recent model is given by Singer and Nicholson. Which of the following is not the similarity between mitochondria and chloroplast? So both convert light energy into chemical energy. This is not the similarity. So I hope all these MCQs will be clear to you. Subscribe my channel and share and like my videos, and any doubts please mention in comments. Thank you. Thanks for watching.